This is the braiding presser foot. It can be used for sewing the maximum width of 8 millimeters of edges, ribbons, sequins, rope buttons, and so on. Before attaching the presser foot, loosen the screws on the presser foot and insert the sequins along the guide slots on the presser foot. Slide the guide groove on the presser foot back and forth and adjust it to the position suitable for the width of the sequins to pass through. Tighten the screws. Attach the braided presser foot to the sewing machine. Draw sewing lines on the fabric. Select the zigzag stitch and adjust the width of the stitch to a size slightly wider than the width of the knitted fabric. This machine sets the stitch width to 6 and the stitch length dial to 4. Turn the handed wheel. Turn on the sewing machine. Start sewing and fix the sequins in the desired position on the fabric. When sewing is finished, cut the thread. Sewing lace ribbon. Sewing decorative rope. It can be used to sew all kinds of sequins, ribbons, trims, buckles, laces, and so on. Maximum width 8 millimeters. Sewing elastic band. When sewing elastic bands, slightly tighten the bands by hand. The bands will tighten automatically after being sealed.